Hey guys, one of the biggest reasons restoration companies lose money is because they aren't proficient in understanding how to write good estimates. At Restoration Made Simple, we provide professional estimate writing for restoration contractors, and this isn't entry level work. These are seasoned estimators who all have 15 plus years in the industry writing estimates. They understand scope, carrier language, and how to write clean, defensible estimates that actually get approved. Most companies were never properly trained to write concise, accurate estimates. So they either underwrite the job or they spend weeks fighting for supplements, both of which cost you time and profit. When you outsource your estimates, your team gets to focus on what actually grows the business, sales, operations, and leadership, instead of being buried in Xactimate estimates. And here's the reality: a good estimator will almost always make you more money than they cost, simply by capturing the scope correctly the first time. Better estimates, faster approvals, higher margins. Reach out to Restoration Made Simple if you want more information about our estimate writing services.